Today, there are more people on the move than at any other time in our human history. And Western Union Foundation is uniquely placed to connect across borders and help people who've been forcibly displaced connect to the global economy. I'm Elizabeth Roscoe. I'm the Head of Brand and Purpose at Western Union and the Executive Director of the Western Union Foundation. 5 years ago, we set ourselves an ambitious goal. Today, with help from Western Union and our partners, we're delighted to share that we over-delivered on that goal, reaching 200,000 young people, including 75,000 young people whose lives have been transformed by the programmes. We firmly believe that education and workforce training are the key pathways out of poverty. That's why we focus on working with non-profit organisations across 5 continents who are providing the skills and resources for young people who've been forcibly displaced to have economic opportunity.
The best gift to give to the person is to educate the person.
If we study well, we can gain anything.
Last year, 84% of Western Union employees donated directly to the work of the foundation. And that's why we created WooGives, a new programme enabling employees to nominate and select a non-profit that they feel passionately about to receive a grant from the Western Union Foundation. Separately, the foundation works in the area of disaster relief. It's one of the key reasons for forced migration, and we focus our efforts on working with non-profits, providing immediate assistance and rebuilding efforts in the wake of natural disasters. The Western Union Foundation is continuing our mission and our focus with a new commitment. Our forward-looking initiative is Opportunity Beyond Borders. We're focusing on the skills needed in technology and entrepreneurship to enable these youth to succeed in today's increasingly technology-driven global economy.
I'm studying Master of Computer Application in university. I thank Western Union Foundation from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you very much to the Western Union Foundation.
Our hope for our new Opportunity Beyond Borders programme is that each of you will consider joining the Western Union Foundation in advocating for a world where there is more equal opportunity for displaced youth.